Chippy? Why does it sound like he's about to talk? You're still learning how to talk, Chippy. Yeah. You still start learning how to talk. Yeah, he gets on his ladder a lot. He like, no. He's so fluffy. You don't wanna. Hello, Chippy. Oh, sorry, Chippy. Hello. Oh, I want y'all to see something. Handshake, handshake. Yeah, we can have a handshake. Now, handshake on the other hand. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. What, Millet? Are you hungry? Want a snack? Yeah, he's hungry. I know, he was chirping when I went to go get chips, so I don't know if he wanted fresh water or fresh food. So, what do y'all think? Does he want fresh water or fresh food? Anyways, you're cute. I don't know. Do you think his chirps are, like, do you think when he chirps, do you think that he's starting to talk? Like, starting to learn how to talk? He's angry. He wants to eat. Hey, do you think, cockatiels do the same thing? It takes a minute, they try to eat you. Hey. I'm trying to pet you. He doesn't. I'm trying to pet you. He's so fluffy. He does another handshake. Yeah, I think I'll just leave him alone right now. He's hungry and I might make another channel for Chippy. So anyways, so let me know that. So let me know if Chippy's starting to learn how to talk or not. Bye, diamonds.